guys. So I've cleaned it. It's so clean here, and now let's show it to my mom. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pri, and in today's video we have a crisis and we're gonna try and solve it. I've been watching 5-minute crafts ever since I was a child. I grew up watching 5-minute craft, and some of those really worked, others were really... Anyways, today we're gonna try some of the hacks and let's see which one works. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me give a heads up about the situation. So yesterday there were some leftovers of payasam because day before yesterday it was Onam. Happy Onam to you guys, and I don't know when will this video be coming up, so it might even be in the next month, so not sure, but yeah. So day before yesterday was Onam, and yesterday there were some leftovers. Yesterday my mom took the leftovers from the fridge and told me to watch over it while it heats up because she had some kind of a meeting and she left it onto me. And yes, I stirred it for a while. It was a bit hot in the kitchen and I went to my room for a minute or so, and when I came back I saw my sister stirring it and I thought she will handle it, and then I again went back to my room. And after 2-3 minutes my sister came into my room and she told me, watch over the payasam, I am going, I have some work to do. I was having some trust issues since she always pranks or lies to me all the time. It's hard to understand when she is genuine, so I thought she was just probably lying, and I thought she wouldn't be such irresponsible to leave it onto me. So after a while, I think I was doing some of my other work, like scrolling Instagram. So after a while, there was a burnt smell. So my sisters, they went rushing into the kitchen and they switched the gas off, and they literally blamed it on me. I mean, when I saw the payasam last, my sister was on it. So why blame it on me? So that's what happened, and now the whole family blames me, and I have to find a solution to the problem, and I promised I would do so. In this video, I will be trying different hacks of 5-minute crafts, and I will be showing which one works the best, so you don't have to do all the hacks. By watching this video, you can understand which hacks work the best. And I think now without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the burnt utensil. So as you can see, there are some scratch marks. That indicates that this wasn't like this at all, it was much worse, but we tried a lot of scrubbing and things, but now we're gonna try some of the hacks and see if that works. Now let's try our first hack. For the first hack, I have some baking soda and vinegar, so let's try and see how this one works. So let's get into it. Okay, I have some baking soda over here, and we can take some of it. Okay, now we're gonna be adding some vinegar into this, and we have to let it down for 20 minutes. Okay, so we can see that some sort of reaction is happening. Hopefully this one goes. So let's just let it sit for 20 minutes. So it's almost been like this for almost 4 hours, and now I think we can just wash it off. It's not a complete success, as you can see.
So nothing much happened this time with this hack. So I am rating this 4 on 10. And now for the next hack, I have some toothpaste here and I will be trying this hack out.
Hopefully this works.
Actually, scrubbing is not really that easy. I had to scrub it very hard. After I washed it, some of the marks left. And I think I'm giving this hack 7. So since it worked the first time I tried, I decided I'll do this again. And yes, I am scrubbing it again. So the main thing here is to just scrub it real hard. And you need to exert that pressure in there. I'm not gonna lie, it actually made it better, I should say. It actually kind of worked. So this is how it turned out after the toothpaste hack. Now for the next hack, we have a lemon and we are trying to scrub it off using this lemon. So let's see how it works.
Oh yeah, I've let it sit for 20 minutes or so, and now let's try scrubbing it off using this. Okay, so now let's just wash it and see.
So I do think a lot of things happened here and it's becoming more clear, but I don't think it's because of the lemon. It's mainly because of the scrubbing I did, and I'm giving the lemon a 3 on 10.
See, there are still remains even after I scrubbed it using lemon. So for the next hack, we usually have to use a Coke, but as cool drink, I only have the Sprite. So let's try with Sprite. I don't know if that will work, but let's try it anyways. So we have to actually heat it. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but let's just hope that it goes after we heat it for some time. Since the quantity of the cool drink I took is less, I'm just gonna switch it off now. So hopefully something happened while it was getting heated. I don't know. Do you think anything happened? Let's just try to scrub it using the dish soap. No, this is just patience, guys. I think we didn't need the cool drink. But I don't know, maybe it will work well with the Coke, but this one is, I don't think it was that effective, but it's just the scrubbing that is making it come out right now, and I know that. So yeah, scrubbing is the best thing to do, I would say. So instead of wasting time on these hacks, just try scrubbing it. But I think some of the things did work, like the toothpaste and the vinegar, like it made it a bit loose, I think. And I really hope that it would work out for you guys if you need it. Okay, I think I've scrubbed the most of it. We made it, guys. It looks clean now. Yay!
And I'm giving this hack a 2.5 on 10.
And that was it, guys. You saw the live results, and this utensil wasn't like this at all. It was all burnt at the bottom, but we made it like this. Thank you guys for making it till here. If you think that this video was helpful, then just give the video a thumbs up and it would mean a lot to me. And also comment which hack you think worked the most.
So these are the comments that gets the shout out from my previous video. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment your favorite flower emoji in the comments.
So the main thing I understood today is if you have things at your home, like try to be creative with whatever you have at home. So be creative and do it in your own way. That's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye until I see you in my next video.